Assalamualaikum everyone, I'm Fazina Aziz and welcome to my channel. Actually, I receive a lot of questions asking how do we take care of our tudung. So this time I picked Nadra just because it made out of chiffon and it has lycra too with Swarovski. So I think this is among the one yang paling high maintenance lah dalam banyak-banyak tudung punya product, because I think TudungPeople we made it to be very affordable and very easy to maintain, because you know we are all lazy people. No, I am all the lazy people. Yeah. So, well, let's get started. Hi, I know I look kind of weird, but I am actually wearing Nadra inner. Okay, what's Nadra? So Nadra is an instant shawl that already comes with an attached inner. So this is Nadra 2.0, so already an upgraded version of our very first Nadra. This is the first loop. Take the second loop. Sarang je. So what I always do, I always wear it belah kat luar macam ni, so that it covers, like it cut away my cheeks. Okay? Or you can wear it ke belakang to show the color of the inner. Macam ni. And it's like super duper casual, I think. Okay. You can wear it macam ni, ataupun kalau you tak suka ni, you boleh just pin kat belah dalam. Like that. This is one of my favourite punya style sebab dia so fuss free. Nanti nak terkedip-kedip pergi sana, terkedip-kedip pergi sini, so je nak salam peluk cium tu tak adalah ada benda kena libas dengan tudung. This tudung is so easy to wear, but how about the maintenance? So because this is chiffon, so it's best for you to basuh tangan, especially sebab ada this Swarovski. No, please do not put it in the washing machine. If you do, this part adalah bahagian dalam, and then you just roll the scarf, baru you masuk washing machine, so that this part yang paling kurang kena dengan sabun. Preferably always hand wash. Jangan rendam lama sangat, because once you rendam, nanti dia punya gum tu akan terlarut, so menyebabkan batu-batu Swarovski ini jatuh. Tapi best thing is, after you receive this product, you can also iron dekat belakang. So every time you iron the Swarovski punya belakang ni, dia akan makin kuat, so that it will stay even longer. Because this one comes with a lycra, it is best for you to not hang it, because lycra bila basah it will tend to stretch, so it's best if you dry it flat. So masa dekat ampayan tu kan, so just letak je kat atas macam tu, so memang insyaAllah dia akan kering dengan sempurna. So bila you hang ketip-ketip macam tu, memang dia akan stretch ke bawah, because as you know, lycra cotton, it is comfortable and it's also very stretchable. So no, jangan kepit-kepit tu. It's best to iron. Kalau I pakai iron, I always use temperature bawah one notch away from cotton, which is probably about wool. And I think wool is okay. So just make sure you press tu. Kalau takut, you can just spray it with water first, and then baru you iron. Sebab I takut because chiffon is it's a strong material, tapi it's still a little bit delicate. As you can see, it's very soft, so takut dia cepat terbakar. So I think that's all about Nadra. It's very easy to wear. Colour dia insyaAllah tak akan turun. Cuma you just have to be careful how to take care of it so that it lasts longer. If you want to see all the available colours, or if you want to know more about Nadra, you can just click the link down below. There. And sama, basuh, simpan, iron.